Go to the file and click on open. Select these two images, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select a mobile screen like this. Press Ctrl J to copy the selection to a separate layer. Then go to another image window, press Ctrl A to select all, open edit and choose copy. Go to our main window, take a new layer, go to filter and choose vanishing point filter. Here create a plane on the mobile screen like this. Now press Ctrl V to paste the copied image, move the image to plane, press Ctrl T for transform option, then adjust this image like this. Press OK. Now right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and select multiply. Let's see the final result.